Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to get spins on Jujutsu Infinite. Firstly, try completing daily quests. You get 10 spins per quest, NPCs found in every village, and tasks include fighting curses, collecting items, etc. Secondly, redeem codes. Devs frequently release free spins codes on X, Discord servers, or games Roblox page description. And finally, daily login bonuses, like login rewards. Day 3 you get spins, day 8 you get more spins, and day 13 even more spins. Just note that never miss a day and the streak might reset. Just a tip, set a reminder and log in, even if you don't want to play. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.